Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. And in today's video, we are looking at the best deals at Walgreens for the week of May the 3rd to the 9th. We have cheap Dawn, we have cheap Listerine. Do I have your attention? I think I'm pretty excited about this week just on these two items. Remember, this video is a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published on Sunday the 3rd. Probably around it's like 4 a.m. Eastern when the app switches over. So that's when we'll start loading these coupons. And in case you missed it, I'm really about this. The Dollar General has their clearance event. So many items are a quarter. And it's going right till the 7th. If you are interested, I will link this video at the very end. Very easy 1, 2, 3 steps. And if you guys could do me a huge solid before we dive into the deals, if you could please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. Even hit the hype button if you might have it. Again, thank you so much in advance, guys. First couple things we're going to talk about are all these boosters. I think like 6 or 7 of them dropped. These are the two most noteworthy. We have a 15 back when you spend 45 on P&G items. That probably will translate to spend 35 in store to get back a 10. And a 7 back when you spend 35 on any old thing in the store. Those two will definitely stack. And then we're just going to like bingo call the rest in a very quick fashion. A 10 when you spend 25 on Walgreens brand vitamins. Snooze. I don't really care about that one. And then we have a 10 back when you spend 40 on Always products. Now, that with the general basket one, yes, you'll be able to stack those two. And then a 5 back when you buy 3 P&G dental care products. 10 back when you buy $25 of Nature's, it's either Bounty or the other one, vitamins. 5 back when you buy 2 eye or ear items. And then a 10 back when you spend 20 on Kenvue, which is typically Listerine. So I believe that will be both in-store and online. The first super deal we're looking at is the $4.99 Bounce, Downy, all those good products, $5 reward when you buy 4, and we have dollar digitals for each. You're going to have to grab an assortment like 1 Bounce, 1 Downy, blah, blah, blah. You catch my drift. So 4 of those is $11.96. Subtracting $4 in digitals, you're going to pay $15.96. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $10.96 for the 4 or $2.74 per item. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And I'll let you guys know, if you remember my video from last week, it was a quick one about there's some sort of like Tide that was really cheap. That's also part of this promotion. If you can find 4 of those, it'll be even cheaper with the $5 register reward. I will link that video also at the very end if you have no idea what I'm talking about. There's a liquid Tide that's ringing up for like $2.30-ish. Check it out at the end. The repeat from last week, it's the $5 Dove hair care with a 4 off a 2 digital coupon, $4 reward when you purchase 2. Grabbing 2 of them, it's going to be $10. Subtracting the coupon, you are going to pay $6. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per Dove shampoo. Yeah, that's a really great price point. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but this is definitely a stock up price. Okay, now we're looking at this, the $8 Olay and then $5 reward when you purchase 3 with a 7 off 3 digital coupon. Now, this is where I'm going with this. If you are close to your fetch rebate of $9 back when you spend 50 on P&G body care or shampoos, this would be great. So 3 of these would be 24, subtracting the coupon 17, get back a $5 register reward, 12 for 3 or $4. Photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Fetch has their Fetchtopia, and they're giving back $9 when you spend $50 on body wash, Head and Shoulders, Pantene, that sort of stuff. If you look at mine, I'm really close, so this purchase would really get me there quickly. It's not quite, but close. I mean, another shampoo deal, I would be there. Like $24 of it, so it's pretty good deal. The Neutrogena skincare products, we're gonna have a $5 digital, $10 reward when you spend 20, and I think this might even be Kenvu. I'm not even sure, but the average item in this line is about $26.99. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $21.99, get back a $10 reward, making it $11.99 for one Neutrogena. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but because it's $26.99, I would definitely throw this into, like, spend $35, get back $7, a booster basket, and then you'd have to pay the balance. You can't use Walgreens cash if you're using it in concert with a booster. Haven't seen a really terrific deal in a while on the Dawn dish soap, but grabbing 2 of them, you're going to have a 2 off of 2 digital coupon, and it's priced at $2.99. So grabbing 2 of them at that price point, it's $5.98. Subtracting the coupon, you're going to pay $3.98 for the 2, or $1.99 per Dawn dish soap. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And I would absolutely do this one, especially if you love Dawn dish soap and you're like, I don't like Palmolive. This is the deal for you. The Listerine at $10. There's one bottle that's usually that price point during a sales. $10 reward when you spend 20. That's 50% back. Grabbing 2 of them for 20. We use Listerine every day in this household, and I always hate when my husband, the day that his last bottle's empty, he's like, I'm out. And I'm like, there's no deal. So 2 of these for 20. Subtracting the coupon, you're going to pay 19, get back a $10 register reward, $9 for 2, or $4.50. And there's a really large one that's like 1.5 liters. It's fantastic. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Okay, now we have a deal for the $6 Colgate, $5 reward when you buy 2 with a 5 off of 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of these Colgates for $12, subtracting that big coupon, you're going to pay $7, get back a $5 register reward, making it 2 for 2, or $1 per. This is the fancier line. There's some Hello, some of the fancier ones. So I think for $1, it's not a bad deal. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And another deal is the $9.99 Gillette and Venus with a $5 reward when you purchase 2. And I believe we'll have $3 digitals on both. So grabbing a men and a ladies, that would be $19.98. Subtracting 6, you're paying $13.98. Getting back a $5 register reward, making it $8.98 for the 2, or $4.49 per razor. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Now we're going to talk about some quick honorable mentions. The first one goes to this Swiffer product, which is a little car clip for $3.49. We have a $2 digital coupon, so it'll drop this guy down to $1.49. Typically, when they give this one, usually the Air Effects, which are the sprays, we get a coupon for that. So if we can line up some of that magic, it might be great. We also have a mystery coupon on some Maybelline cosmetics, so we'll definitely investigate that one on Monday morning when we do the curbside deals. Probably we'll see what that is. Hey, wouldn't it be nice if it was 10 off of 1? And the $1.99 Kellogg cereal, be on the lookout for some digital coupons for this. Also with IBOTTA, will there be a rebate to go with it? You always have a week post to apply for IBOTTA rebates, so hang on to your receipt. And this is a really good price point for cereal. We have the Pepsi on a buy 2, get 2 for free. As we're getting closer to Memorial Day weekend, that's actually going to be on the 25th, so closer to the end of the month. But they're going to be trying to get you ready with paper plates, sodas, and like chips, everything for a cookout. So if you're a big Pepsi Mountain Dew drinker, definitely stock up before Memorial Day. It's just a smart thing to do. Most stores do that. If you're new to couponing, anything for a cookout, they'll get you ready for that, with the exclusion of, like, brats and hamburger buns and that sort of stuff. But this sort of stuff, lots of it, lots of drinks. I am so delighted to see this back. If you guys don't know, I really love candles, and there's this Walgreens brand where they make candles look like food. They do like a cream on top with berries. They had like ones with cookies and candy canes at Christmas time. 25% off these dessert candles, and I have burnt them before in the past. They are really a nice candle. So if you've ever been curious, you might want to tiptoe through the center aisles that they have in the middle of the store with all of the summer fun in the sun stuff. I'm sure they're going to have these candles on display, and I am excited to check them out. Okay, if you want to see the Dollar General stuff, linked right here, and the very cheap Tide from last week, linked here, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.